So, hello, let us continue. So, for now, we will make an Android application using an MIT App Inventor 2. I will be using a portable version because portable version suits me because our internet connection is not that stable. But you may opt to use the online version because that one is much better. Your projects is always available to you. But for me, I'm good with portable. So let us open the main. Then to start the server, click this one. After that, we can click the Start Invent. This will open your default web browser. Now we will create a new project by pressing the Start New Project. We name this one as MIT App Inventor Sending. Then click OK. Now this one opens. In the About screen, we type MIT App Inventor 2 sending command to Arduino Uno board. Make it center, align vertical top, MIT App icon. In screen title, we make Tech to Tinker. MIT App Inventor sending. So when we press enter, the title is now here. I will add a layout, maybe vertical arrangement. Then with field parent, then user interface. I would like to add a label for description. So here I will say MIT App Inventor sending command through Bluetooth through HC-06 Bluetooth module to Arduino Uno board to control the state of the LED. So can we see that all? No. I think we need to trim this one. HC-06. Make it bigger, little bigger. Then after the Bluetooth, we'll copy. Then we add another label. And paste this one. To control the state. Another label. Okay, seems good. Now, to select the Bluetooth available, we need to add a list speaker. Sorry, delete this first. We need to add another layout, horizontal, and the width for this is fill parent, and I will add the list speaker to select the Bluetooth available, and I will set the width of this one to 50%. I will add another one, no, not list speaker, let's say button. The list speaker, we name this one as Bluetooth list. This button, we rename this one as disconnect button, and the type is disconnect. And we set the width to 50%. Then we will add a label for the connection status. We set this one to a little bigger, maybe 30. We put a background red. We set the width to fill the parent, and the text alignment center, and we put disconnect. Next, here we put the text as scan. Here, disconnect. And to control the LED, we need two buttons for turn on and turn off. For simplicity, we will make two. We fill the parent. We will add a button. This one, we rename this one as turn on button, and we add another one for the turn off button, turn off button. And for the width, we make this 50% so that it occupies 50% of the screen. This one also for the width, 50%. This one, change the text to turn on LED. This one, turn off LED. Then we may add another label here, the bottom, and we rename this one as LED state, start LED state. Then LED is off. We make this a little bigger, let's say 24. So when we turn on the LED, this one should LED is on. When we press turn off, LED is off. So the design is now ready. Let us go to blocks to make the code. So first, we need to add a connectivity, a Bluetooth client. This one is non-visible components. We name this one as HC06. Now we can go to blocks to make the code. So for the Bluetooth to be listed, we need to press the scan button. To do that, we need to go to Bluetooth list. When Bluetooth list, before picking, so first we make this one. Then we need to set what the elements will be. So it should list all the available Bluetooth being connected before. So to do that, set Bluetooth list that elements, set Bluetooth list that elements to HC-06. Where's the HC-06? HC-06 address names. Then I want to disable the disconnect button. So disconnect button that enable, where is that one? Set disconnect button enabled to want this one to make to be false. Logic false. Then next, Bluetooth list. What will happen after we select the Bluetooth? So that is here. So we make control it, call HC-06 that connect. We will connect to Bluetooth list that selection. Yeah, this one. So we will connect the HC-06 to the address which we select. I want to set the Bluetooth list that elements. I will use this one. Elements to HC-06 address names. Yeah, this one. Then I want to disable the Bluetooth list so that I cannot scan again. So set, I'll duplicate this one. Set Bluetooth list that enabled to be false. Also, I want the disconnect button to be enabled. So disconnect button to be true. So should be true. Next, set the Bluetooth status. I forgot to rename this one. This one. This should be Bluetooth status. So I want the Bluetooth status text to be changed. So So set Bluetooth status.text to what? So connected. Also, I want the background color to be changed. So select color, I want it to be green when connected and red when disconnected. We will add another one. LED on is press. So turn on LED. When turn on button is click, I want it to send a command to Arduino. So send text. So to turn on, we will send 1. And to turn off, we send 0. We send 1. We duplicate this one for the turn off. When turn off button is click, send text 0. So for the disconnect button, when disconnect button is click, I want to disconnect from HC-06. So HC-06 disconnect. I want to change the Bluetooth list to be enabled from here. Bluetooth enabled to be true. I want the disconnect button to be false. So disconnect button enabled to be false. I want to change the status of the Bluetooth text to be disconnected. So I want to duplicate this one and this one. I want to make it as disconnected. And text color to be red. This one. I think this one is complete. After that one, we can convert this one as application. So build and save this one to my computer. Let us wait a little more. Yay, the download is available. So we save this one in the desktop as MIT App Inventor sending. Then I will save this one to my Android, then install.